Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host Brian Hernandez, and today we're going to make a recipe from my multimedia segment in every issue of PMQ Pizza Magazine, The Chef's Corner. Now this time, I was able to corner pizzaiolo Anthony Spina and talk about grandma-style pie in the Deep South. Located in Atlanta, Georgia, 04W serves traditional grandma pies to the hungry masses. Originally from New Jersey, Anthony felt the urge to make a trek down south and educate pizza fans about this particular style. Today's recipe is called the Spicy Italian. Using traditional Italian flavors, this pie is sure to please your family, customers, and even your grandmas. So for this recipe, we're going to need a 16.5-ounce dough ball, a 16 by 16 inch grandma pan, sliced mozzarella, crumbled meatballs, hand-sliced pepperoni, Calabrian chili peppers, ricotta, marinara sauce, pecorino romano, extra virgin olive oil, house-made fresh mozzarella, and basil leaves. Stretch your dough to 16 by 16 in your grandma pan. Lay your sliced mozzarella on the crust, then add your meatballs, pepperoni, and Calabrian chilies. Add a dollop of ricotta for each slice of the pie. Add your sauce in diagonal stripes, starting at the center and moving outward. Top with a little pecorino romano cheese and some extra virgin olive oil. Bake at 575 for about 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and crispy. Remove from the oven and add some fresh mozzarella, basil leaves, and more pecorino romano and extra virgin olive oil. Slice and serve. And there you have it, folks, the Spicy Italian. It's a little taste of New Jersey from the Deep South. Now, we just have to taste it, which, as you can tell, is the worst part of my job. So I'm gonna go for one of these, I'm not gonna do the corner this time. I wanna get something that's all-encompassing. We have our light and airy grandma-style dough, where there's a little bit of creamy ricotta, as well as some fresh mozz, some peppers, meatballs, and pepperonis. This dough is light and airy, but the pizza has a kick. The spiciness of that pepperoni and the chilies, but it's all calmed down by the creaminess of the ricotta and that fresh mozzarella on top. Well, that's all the time we have in the Pizza Kitchen today, guys. I hope you all try this recipe out in your homes and your restaurants. And I'd like to thank Anthony Spina of 04W in Atlanta, Georgia for this recipe. You can find out more about Anthony in the Chef's Corner in the April issue of PMQ Pizza Magazine. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez. I'll see you guys next time, but until then, keep those ovens lit.